Hello friends, welcome back to the Borderless. Here are the 100 greatest philosophical quotes, English and Kinyarwanda. What if just one sentence could change the way you think forever? In this video, you will hear 100 powerful philosophical quotes in English and Kinyarwanda. Quotes that will challenge your mind, change your mindset, and inspire your life. Watch carefully because every word carries wisdom. Let's continue with the quotes of today. Our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Icyubahiro cyacu gikomeye si ukutagwa ahubwo ni ukuzamuka buri gihe twaguye. Lao Tzu said, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Urugendo rw'ibirometero igihumbi rutangirana n'intambwe imwe. Friedrich Nietzsche, he said, he who has a way to live can bear almost anyhow. Ufite impamvu yo kubaho ashobora kwihanganira uburyo bwose ubwo ari bwo bwose. Buddha said, the mind is everything. What you think you became. Ubwenge nibwo bugenga byose. Icyo utekereza ni nacyo uba. Epictetus said, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Si ibikubaho bifite akamaro ahubwo ni uburyo byakira. Marcus Aurelius said, the happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Marcus Aurelius said, the happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Ibyishimo by'ubuzima bwawe bishingira ku bwiza bw'ibitekerezo byawe. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you next time.